I would like to replace my GE Dual Wave 2 with a replacement of the same dimensions and features. Is that possible?
Can you guesstimate how old your GE is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
I think the house was built in 1993, so it's probably from that time. The model is GE Dual Wave 2 microwave system, which includes a microwave on top and a conventional oven below. Overall dimensions are 26W x 42H and the cabinet is 24 inches deep.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
To be determined, but probably not.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
An identical, pre-owned version that's in great conditions would also be acceptable.
Hello. My name is. I'll be helping you with your appliance question today. Please wait a few moments while I review your question. The closest ones you will have to the microwave oven combo is a model JK3800 SHSS. It's a 24 inches cabinet depth, 26.75 with handle, 42.4 inches height, and the width is 27 inches because this goes in a 27 inches cabinet. You may need to cut the cabinet a bit further than your older oven, but since your old oven went in a 27 inches cabinet, you wouldn't need to replace the cabinet. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
Is that JK3800 SHSS made by GE? Or who?
Yes, that is made by GE. That is their replacement model listed for your current microwave oven combo.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.